morning, dear students. My greetings to you all on occasion of National Sports Day being celebrated on 29th August 2020. I am proud and happy to see your participation enthusiastically in Fit India Freedom Run. Dear students, participate in sports because the benefits you get through sports activities are many. Sports helps a person develop healthy body to lead a healthy life. Sports develop a person physically and mentally. It brings discipline into a person's life. Sports teaches us the value of consistency, which is the key to success. As sports demand mental attention, they increase the focus and determination. It also promotes coordination and teamwork. Sports build self-confidence. It also creates leadership abilities in a person. One learns to take charge of his or her own life as he can control himself. Sports help you manage stress and channel it productively. It also helps a person to think normally and effectively. No wonder Swami Vivekananda said, "You can see the heaven through football." My humble request to my dear students, spare minimum 30 to 60 minutes in a physical activity per day. However, my appeal to all the parents to encourage our children to play indoor or outdoor games. Once again, I wish you all happy National Sports Day. Thank you.
The more difficult the victory is, the greater the happiness in winning, which means without trying, we can't give up. That might be difficult to win, but the happiness after winning is endless. Hello everyone, myself Apurva R from studying in 9th standard B section from Kendriya Vidyalaya Malleshwaram Shifter 2. I'm here to speak a few words about National Sports Day. Before that, I would like to wish you all a happy National Sports Day. National Sports Day is celebrated on 29th August every year in the memory of the birth anniversary of the great legend Dhyan Chand. National Sports Day is celebrated to create awareness amongst the citizens and the youth of this country to activate their physical fitness. Through this, the upcoming India would build to be the fit and healthy India. On this National Sports Day, the President gives some honorable awards such as Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award and Khel Ratna Award to the sports person and the champions with the coach. It is celebrated with great fanfare. Walkathon and football tournaments are held all over the country. In the first year of the celebration, FICCI helped in supporting all the events across the India. Every year, 2 athletes are nominated by the selection committee for the Khel Ratna Awards. Fit India movement is also the most highlighted movement by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, which was highlighted to be the most succeeded movement, which made the people and the youth, especially of India, to get aware about the physical activities. Government of India has also introduced many other schemes in order to check whether the citizens of its country are active, healthy or fit. Fitness plays an important and crucial role in a person's life because that is important for a person to stay fit to lead a healthy life ahead. So I request you all to take care of yourselves and please practice your physical activities in your day-to-day life and support all the schemes by the government, and I request you to take part in all the schemes by the government to lead a healthier, happier and a fit life ahead. Through this, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you everyone.
Is going to present a speech on National Sports Day. The National Sports Day in India is celebrated on 29th August on the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand Singh. Major Dhyan Chand Singh is a hockey player who played hockey for India in Olympics in the year 1928, 1932 and 1936 and won gold medal for India. National Sports Day is a public holiday which is celebrated in honor to respect the national sports team and sports tradition of those countries. On this day, people play friendly matches between themselves in various games such as kabaddi, kho, basketball, etc. The National Sports Day is observed every year to spread awareness and importance about sports in every person's life.
COVID-19 and due to lockdown all over the world, we are unable to chase our dreams or even get out of our house. I'm pretty sure sportspersons like me are devastated. Jai Hind. This is Vismaya Singh of class 9th B, Kendra Vidyalaya Malleshwaram. I've represented KV Bangalore region in National Sports Meet and KV in SGFI Sports Meet in swimming in under 14 category. This coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic is much more than a defining global health crisis of our time. It is the greatest challenge we have faced since World War II. This virus has spread to every continent except Antarctica. But this pandemic is much more than a global health crisis. It's also an unprecedented socio-economic crisis. It has the potential to create devastating social, economic and political effects that will leave deep and long-lasting scars. The first case of COVID-19 in India, originated from China, was reported on 30 January 2020. India has the largest number of confirmed cases in Asia. It has the third highest number of confirmed cases in the world after United States and Brazil. COVID-19 has not only made an effect on social, economic and political effects, but has made a major impact on stadiums, fields, pools and courts all over the world. Yes, you're thinking absolutely right. I'm talking about how this pandemic
National Sports Day greetings to all. Play a sport. It will teach you how to win honorably, how to lose graciously, how to respect the authorities, how to manage your time, how to move with your time, how to move with your teammates, and lots more. Sports does not build the character, but it reveals it. National Sports Day is celebrating to commemorate the birth anniversary of the legendary hockey player, the hockey wizard, Major Dhyan Chand. The outstanding sportsman who scored more than 1,000 goals and won 3 Olympic gold medals in the field of hockey. He is a sportsman beyond compare and an icon to be adored and to get inspired forever. Today, amidst the global pandemic, we celebrate the National Sports Day virtually to make the awareness of sports and fitness in the day-to-day life. Government of India has already launched a number of programs and campaigns in order to make the awareness among the people, especially among the children, to have a healthy life, to opt a fit life in their normal routine in order to build a healthy tomorrow. I request all the parents as well as the children to opt an healthy life by choosing any physical activity of your choice in order to build a healthy India for tomorrow. As we know, our government imparts 100% support with a variety of programs like Khelo India, Fit India and the ongoing Fit India Freedom Run, which has started on 15th August and to get end on 2nd October this year. To be a part of all these ventures to build a healthy nation tomorrow. We know we are going through a very unnatural and unfamiliar and uncomfortable situations. but we know if we concentrate on the problems, we'll be having more problems. But if we concentrate on the possibilities, we'll have more opportunities. Life will be better when we move better. Happy National Sports Day all. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं सुमित राव केंद्रीय विद्यालय मल्लेश्वरम द्वितीय पाली से आपके समक्ष उपस्थित हूँ। साथियों, 29 अगस्त को हम राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। इस दिन राष्ट्रपति भवन में एक कार्यक्रम का आयोजन कर विभिन्न खेलों से संबंधित उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन करने वाले खिलाड़ियों को पुरस्कार दिया जाता है। हॉकी के महान खिलाड़ी मेजर ध्यानचंद की स्मृति में हम प्रतिवर्ष खेल दिवस मनाते हैं। मेजर ध्यानचंद का जन्म 29 अगस्त सन 1905 में उत्तर प्रदेश के इलाहाबाद में हुआ था। ये हॉकी के इतने उत्कृष्ट खिलाड़ी थे कि इन्होंने सन 1928, 1932 तथा 1936 में लगातार भारत को ओलंपिक खेलों में स्वर्ण पदक दिलाया था। ये हॉकी में इतने प्रवीण थे कि इन्हें हॉकी के जादूगर का भी खिताब मिला। सन 1956 में भारत सरकार द्वारा इन्हें पद्म भूषण से सम्मानित किया गया। दोस्तों, खेल हमारे जीवन में अत्यधिक महत्वपूर्ण है क्योंकि हमारी मानव यात्रा एक कठिन यात्रा है जिसमें हमें कई सारे दुखों, कठिनाइयों, दुश्चिंताओं आदि से होकर गुजरना पड़ता है। ऐसे में हमें चाहिए कि हम अपने मस्तिष्क को स्वस्थ, सुचारू और सही रखें, परंतु उससे भी पूर्व आवश्यक है कि हम अपने शरीर को भी स्वस्थ रखें क्योंकि शरीर की स्वस्थता परम आवश्यक है, क्योंकि स्वस्थ शरीर में ही स्वस्थ मस्तिष्क का विकास होता है। वेदों में भी कहा गया है कि पहला सुख निरोगी काया। जी हाँ, खेल हमारे शरीर और मस्तिष्क को स्वस्थ रखने का अच्छा विकल्प है। खेल हमें मनोरंजन के साथ साथ हमारे शरीर से और मस्तिष्क के तनाव को दूर करते हैं तथा शरीर में ताकत और स्फूर्ति प्रदान करते हैं। दोस्तों, अगर हम बात करें छात्र जीवन की, तो छात्र जीवन मानव जीवन का सबसे कठिन काल होता है और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण काल भी होता है क्योंकि इस काल में छात्र जो भी अच्छी या बुरी आदतें ग्रहण करते हैं उनका सीधा प्रभाव उनके आगामी भविष्य पर पड़ता है। ऐसे में खेलों का महत्व छात्र जीवन में और अधिक बढ़ जाता है। खेल स्वस्थ और मानसिक विकास के साथ साथ छात्रों में कई सारी अच्छी आदतें भी प्रदान करते हैं, जैसे नैतिक गुण, नेतृत्व क्षमता, एक साथ समूह में रहकर काम करने की योग्यता तथा खेलों में उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन करने वाले खिलाड़ी आगामी भविष्य में भी कई सारी उपलब्धियां हासिल कर सकते हैं।
final of the Olympic hockey. The wonderful Indian team in the white shorts, who so far have scored 30 goals to 0 in the tournament, are playing Germany. India score. India score again. Germany score. Result was India 8, Germany 1.